everyone, welcome to my channel Grains and Beans. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the creamiest shrimp pasta. So let's begin. So I'll start by taking a pan and adding some water to it. Then to the water, I'll add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well, and then finally when the water starts to boil, I'll add some spaghetti pasta. Let the pasta boil and it will take approximately 10 to 12 minutes, and then I'll be straining the pasta and I'll keep it aside. Now in a separate bowl, take 300 grams of shrimp and add 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of turmeric, some chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, some crushed black pepper and 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Now mix everything together and keep it aside for approximately 15 minutes. Now take a pan and add some butter and then add the shrimps to it. Fry the shrimps really lightly. You do not need to fry the shrimps for a longer time because in that case it can become really hard and you don't want it. So just fry it very lightly for approximately 2 minutes and then keep it aside. Now to the same pan add some more butter and then add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Fry the garlic until it turns golden brown and then add 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions. Fry the onions also until it turns golden brown, and then to the pan add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Now fry everything together for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, and when everything is properly fried, to the pan add 1 cup of fresh cream. Now incorporate everything together and your basic cream sauce base is ready. But as I have promised you, I'll make this shrimp pasta the creamiest shrimp pasta ever. So here I'll go that extra mile and I will be adding 2 tablespoons of the special white sauce that I normally make for my pastas and sandwiches. I will be linking the recipe of this white sauce in the description box and also in the cards above. So do not forget to check it out. And then to adjust the consistency of the sauce, here you can add chicken broth, the pasta water, also plain water. So as you can see that my creamy sauce is ready here, I will be just adjusting the salt and add some extra crushed black pepper and mix it well. Finally, add the boiled spaghetti to the creamy sauce and give it a good mix. When everything is mixed properly, add the fried shrimps. I'm just adding half of the shrimps here and I'm keeping half aside for garnishing my dish later. Now top everything up with grated mozzarella cheese. You may use as much mozzarella cheese as you want. As you can see here, I'm using a lot of mozzarella cheese, and also here you can use any other type of cheese, but I must tell that mozzarella cheese will give you the best taste. After adding the mozzarella cheese, keep the pan covered on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes and then remove the cover to unleash the creamiest shrimp pasta ever. Garnish it with some Italian seasoning and some chili flakes and enjoy.